Good morning, children. So, are you ready for another topic? So, today our topic is public facilities. Each person is in need of different type of facilities like transport facilities. As you can see in the pictures, CNG buses and metro rail services are shown here. Hospital facilities, electricity distribution, means you want electricity facility. Can you imagine if there is a power cut for 1 hour and 2 hour, you become restless because everyone is in need of electricity. School facility, either government or private schools. So we can say all people are in need of different type of facilities, otherwise their survival is very tough. So in this way we can say these facilities, if they are available, then we can get it, otherwise not. So money in our pocket cannot buy each and everything. If it is available, then we can get, otherwise we can't get it. While money is a very important for us, but still if the things and services and products are not available in our surrounding, how to get it? Further, we can say, can we purchase the pollution free environment? Can we buy it? No. Same also another example, we can say if the environment is polluted, then it can be the main cause of many diseases. Same also, can we get the pure medicine if they are not available in the market? They may be again very dangerous for us and cause of many diseases. So people are suffering a lot if the things are not available in their surroundings. You can see the another example here, adulterated food means not pure food. Adulteration is also the big problem. Generally, many food items are not pure in the market and they are affecting very badly on our health and spreading many diseases. So food adulteration is also the big problem for us. But again we can quote here, money cannot buy each and everything for us. While money is a very important factor, money is very important for us. Many infectious diseases spread in the society, in the environment. Further, we are being caught and we suffer a lot. Then these diseases generally are chickenpox, flu, cough and cold. Then at present also you are watching such a dangerous disease is spreading and it is affecting very badly on our health. Same also another example we can take, can we afford the cost of the security guard separately? No. So generally these services we can afford collectively. Just think, will it be cheaper to have collective security for the whole locality or for each house to have its own security man? Definitely collectively we can afford the cost. Same also another example we can take, in your town, city or village, if there is no school, then how to get education? Definitely we can't get. Then while the government is doing a lot of efforts, many schools are open in many villages, small towns, and as well as other facilities are also provided. Then people are capable to get education, private schools and government schools. You can see here many government school in villages, small towns, even in mountainous area also. Then students are happy to go school. They want to get education. Even the poor children also, while they cannot afford it. But still if the government is providing school facility as well as many other facilities like midday meal, there is no problem of food. If they come to school, they are getting food also. And then again they are happy. Many poor children, that's why, are able to attend school. Same also free library, books also provided by government. Then generally poor people are also getting fee concession. Somewhere primary education is also free. Then so many facilities are provided by the government is doing a lot of efforts to increase literacy rate at any cost. Another example we can take, the girl child is generally is not being sent to school just because of the mentality of the society, as well as another problem, schools are not available, separate schools are not available for girls, so they are not getting education while they want to get. Wherever the facilities are reaching, then girls are happy to go school. Then further we can take the example, as the primary health centers are also provided in villages. Those are taking care. And further the teachers, doctors, many types of the educations like physical education, physical fitness is also paid attention. Many physical activities are going on even in villages, and health issue is also very important. Here we can take the example of Kerala. Kerala has a low infant mortality rate because it has adequate provision of basic health and educational facilities. So that's why Kerala is quite ahead because of awareness. Similarly, in some states, we can say the public distribution system, PDS, is working very well and people are getting food timely, especially poor people, backward people, many small towns and areas. They are getting these facilities provided by government. Public distribution system is also known as a ration shop. So people are doing as a collective efforts to overcome over the problems. Another issue also comes, that is human development report. Human development report is also equally important given by UNDP. So many issues are being paid attentions. Means to develop the human is a most important issue. Means you, if you want to overcome over the other problems, then first of all you develop the human. Human, the three important factors are being known like this, as health. Health should be good, education and income. Means if we are literate or educated, then easily we can get as a good services. Further we can afford the cost of education further, then definitely we can develop the society, we can develop ourselves as well as our family wherever we are working. Then everything definitely will be as the different and the good according to our surroundings. We can survive, then means we can further add as an income should be definitely can be good if we are educated. If we are not educated, definitely we will be facing a lot of problems and difficulties. So human development index is very very important. I think whatever discussed by me, it should be clear in your mind. Underline the important points. Thank you.